So this is the X3 flashlight, and it's really nice. It comes from Wuben. This is a very good company, and it comes in this box over here. Now, before we get started, I really like this flashlight because first of all, it has a base for it to go ahead and charge, which is very good, and a USB-C cable that's plugged in over here. Talking about USB-C cable, well, we have this. So this is actually a USB-C cable in disguise, because you can actually go ahead and take this out, hook this right on here, and you can go ahead and use it like a regular thing. But the best part about this is that if you need the USB-C cable, it's right on you at all times. All you have to do is press this button right here. You reject this and you have the actual cable. Waha! So this is ingenious method of you to have the cable on you at all times, yet it's disguised as if, and you can even use this as a regular keychain as well. So it is really nice and fancy. Now the next thing I want to show you is the base. So the base is very small, it's very nice looking and also awesome. But now it is time to talk about the flashlight. So this flashlight is nice and fancy. First off, you just press on it and it works like a flashlight, yes. But another great thing about this is that the base itself, you can either go ahead and put this like this, like an owl, to go ahead and use it. So let's talk about the owl flashlight. It is nice and handy, and it is super bright for you to operate as well. So there's a few things about this that I want to talk about up close, and so you can see how it actually looks like when you turn this on. The whole entire features of it are very simple, easy for you to operate. For example, the head itself, you can just go ahead and move it around, and it puts it in the owl position over here. Next thing for you to go ahead and check is this, the actual stand that you can put this in. Talking about the stand over here, we also have this. This is the USB-C cable. You just take this off and you use it and you put it right in the back over here, and then you go ahead and recharge this in any kind of laptop, or if you have a separate wall stand. If you want this to just be used for your keys, you can use that as well, or you can go ahead and put this right in the back over here too, in case you want to. Not this part, but this part over here. It is just made for you to go ahead, open this up, and slide it all the way up here, so you can go ahead and use it just like that, as a flashlight anywhere you actually go. The next thing about this that's really easy and awesome about, right in the back here, you can see there is a metal over here, and it looks very nice. This is the metal that you're going to be putting it right on your jeans, or in your pocket, or outside of your jeans, and so forth. Now let's go ahead and show you a few things about this, why this is so awesome. So first of all, to turn it on, you just press on here. Now next, if you want to cycle through this, just keep on, when you turn this on, keep on pressing on it. So for example, here is the white light. You single press on it, don't press on it too hard, and then you can just keep holding it and it goes into the more powerful cycle. Keep holding it, and we'll go from 1 cycle to 50 to 150 and so on. Triple tapping, it's going to give you the strobe light over here. Now if you want to just turn it off, just keep on clicking until it turns itself off. If you hold it much longer, you get into the red light special. Then if you want to go through the different features over here, press on it more, and you can go through the different cycles, which is the higher power and the low power as well. If you want to turn this whole entire thing off, just keep on cycling until it turns itself off. Really nice looking, very handy. I like the whole entire element to this, the looks and everything else. Plus there is the counter over here that shows you how much battery power is left. It is beautiful, it's very useful, and the price is just about right. Second way is for you to go ahead and move this along in 180 degrees, and it becomes a Lego flashlight that works just like that. Now let's go into the fancy settings. So just press once on it and turn it on. You can also double click on it and it becomes much more powerful. And there is another really awesome feature over here too. So you can go ahead and cycle through the different kind of things over here, but if you press on it halfway and keep on pressing on it, you will see all the different features that are included, including the strobe light. So triple press on it, you get the strobe over here. Turn it off. Now we can go through one room, two room by pressing on here, and 150 is the highest that it goes into. And this one, double click on it, it goes to 700 rooms all combined. So we have a way for this to go from 1 to 50, 150 all the way to 700 as well. So it's very powerful way for you to go ahead and use this. You can also go ahead and switch it just like that into this section. Furthermore, it is really nice looking, and it's really awesome too to have something like this with you at all times, because it makes it just such a sophisticated looking gadget for you, which makes it extremely cool too. And I do like the way it actually works, and it has an ability to outshine the competition. In the darkness we can see how this actually works, and this is the Lego edition of it over here. Double tap over here, and I'm going to show you how it works by the lowest setting. And if you keep on pressing on it, we have the red light special. What I mean, red light special is kind of cool too. But triple pressing on it, you will change it to 1. Second ball is the 700 edition over here. And if you just keep on holding it, you can get it to the red light edition of this thing, which is not very powerful as well. But if you want to switch it off of this, you will have to just keep on holding it, because this one gives you the 80 as well. So I do like, and this is the strobe mode over here. Lots of different features for us to go ahead and use. And if you want to get out of this red light edition, just keep on pressing on it till you go to the Lego edition of it too. So now we have the Lego edition going through 150, 150. If you want a red light special, you go ahead and press on it just like that. Press and hold is the way for you to go. Press and hold, you go to the red light edition. If you want to go to the Lego edition out of it, keep holding it and get out of this thing. Really that simple. So yeah, this has a lot of really nice features to it. If you press halfway in, you can go through the Lego edition of this light. But if you want to go for the red light, keep holding it, and the red light special is on, which is really awesome. Perfect for Halloween, of course. So let's go ahead and turn this light on over here. And turning it on, you can see how it actually looks like over here. And let's go into this dark area. Super dark over here, but this light does give you some light here. This is the lowest level, by the way. I'll show you how this actually works. And you can't really see too much. This is great for like walking around, reading a book, or something very small tasks that you have to do. If you keep on pressing on this, it gives you the 51 over here, which is much more powerful, and you can see much more with it. Pressing on it once again, you get the 150, which is extremely more powerful as well. And if you double tap it, you get the most powerful mode here altogether. Now press it one more time, it turns it off. Now press and hold it, you get the red light special. This one is at 80. And then let's cycle through this. Let's see what it can do. The lowest power is at 1. This one is not too bright, but I want to show you the brighter one over here, which is really good. It lights up everything and it's very powerful. Turning this off, it is super dark in here.